Hi there, welcome to the RevOps and Enablement YouTube channel. Technology plays a crucial part in any SaaS business's growth, particularly for their go-to-market teams in terms of the tools and applications that they're using to both help the organization scale and teams do things more efficiently and effectively. Now, there's so many tools on the market. I thought I would just list today some of the different areas which I feel the tools can actually help organizations in. The first one is customer acquisition. The technology can help organizations acquire customers more efficiently and at a lower cost. So an example of this is marketing automation software that can help automate and streamline the lead generation and qualification process, while search engine optimization tools can help your organization improve its company visibility with search engine results. That's just one area from a customer acquisition perspective. There's many, many more, but that's a real crucial part in terms of your lead generation for your go-to-market teams. Next one is around customer engagement. You can engage your customers more effectively through tools such as your customer relationships management system, your CRM. And this can help you track customer interactions, provide more personalized outreach to them. It can help you with software to improve the way in which you're supporting customers by resolving their issues more quickly and more efficiently as well. So again, customer engagement, crucial part, and many tools out there in the marketplace that can help them. Next one is around product development, developing your products in the best way. For example, you might want to use data analytics tools to get a better understanding through trends and patterns of customer behavior. And then there's also user testing and feedback tools that can help you validate new products and data. One I'm particularly passionate about is sales enablement. You've got the technology out there that can help you improve the way in which your sales teams are engaging with customers, increasing their skills and capabilities in terms of how they're actually working their way through the sales process, the types of conversations that they're having with customers. Then, of course, there's things such as sales analytics software that can help you track your sales performance and identify areas of improvement for your team to enable them better as well. Another one is scalability. If you think about this, in terms of the tools that you can put in place, there's things that you can put there that will allow you to scale at pace. Things such as cloud software is going to allow you to provide a more flexible and scalable infrastructure for your customers. And that's going to help you support your rapid growth as a business. And then there's automation tools out there that will help you streamline and optimize your business processes. All of those things are going to help you move from an organization that might only be 20 or 30 people to 2 or 3 years' time with 300 people or even 1,000 people. So there's a number of tools out there in the market that are going to help your go-to-market teams. One area I wanted to cover today was Nancy Nardin's sales landscape is an amazing map of all the different sales technology that is out there in the marketplace. I think there's over 2,000 different tools that are listed on there, which just shows you the complexity there can be when you're trying to map out the sort of technology that you want to put in place for your go-to-market teams. And she, in that landscape, lists about 45 different categories which tools sit under. So imagine how, as a RevOps leader in your business, you're starting to map the technology stack that you want to put in place for your go-to-market teams. And just from a sales landscape perspective, that's pretty complicated. The first thing that you've got to think about is keeping things simple and not overcomplicating the tools that you're using and the volume of tools that you're using. Some organizations that I go into have got a couple of hundred different tools that are being used, and teams are using multiple tools for the same purpose. So you can end up with 3 or 4 different tools for, say, data enrichment. And that can cause a lot of complexity for the organization, cost as well. This is a great document to use to map out and look at all the different tools that are in the marketplace before you do your evaluation of them and start to think about how we're going to build our tech stack up. But when you look at the landscape, I just wanted to call out some of the different areas that are covered on here and things that you should be thinking about when you're looking at your go-to-market tech. So on those things such as sales enablement, sales engagement, sales analytics and intelligence, the CRM, the customer relationship management system, sales performance management, lead generation, sales acceleration, sales operation, and sales training and coaching. just those headings there, you can see how many different tools are out there. We haven't even got into some of the marketing automation tools and then things for customer success as well, and what can be put in place to support that part of the business. It is an absolutely huge landscape now of technology that you've got in the marketplace. The biggest thing I think you can do when you're looking at the technology stack for your organization is get very clear on the business requirements and the business outcomes that you're looking to achieve. And then you can start looking at the technology and evaluating the technology against those outcomes and requirements. And more importantly, alongside all of that, think about the future. Don't get technology just for now. Think about how it's going to scale with the organization as the organization grows. And that will make your lives a lot easier. I see a lot of organizations bring the wrong CRM into their business early on, and then they're having to change CRM as they start to scale, which creates mountains of work and effort and can create lots of data issues for the organization. So there's just a few things for you to think about, both in terms of how technology can really help your organization, but then when you start to look at the go-to-market teams particularly, what do you need to do to put in place an effective go-to-market technology stack? I hope you found that useful. I've put a link to Nancy Nardin's sales landscape in the comments, so make sure you take a look at that because there's great information about different tools there. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel or follow us on LinkedIn if you'd like more hints and tips. Cheers.